Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining. Today I want to show you the quickest and simple way on how you can make pilau rice back at home. I always say look around you and see what you can create using the few ingredients you have back at home. So for my case, I have some rice. Learn and see how you can create a dish as you are going to see on the video below. As always, I am your host, Chef Juma, and cooking starts right now. Welcome, viewer. Fry this until a bit brown, thereabout. At this stage, in your spices there, and tell me how you make the rice. It's important to taste. At home. See this one? Lovely. Yes? Let me tell you this. Look at this. Yes. Now the viewers, see how our pilau has turned out. Very nicely and lovely. Look at the color. It's now time to plate like a real chef. Yes. Take your cup. Now gently press this one. So from here, cut this, drop inside, down, outside, this side. Yes, finish this. Yes, with some tomatoes here. Not yet done. This one. Don't throw it. So, now time and the moment. Wow! Look at it. Not yet done. Yes. So you can decide, you can take this one on its own. But for me, I have some leftovers. I always insist, look around you, how in your kitchen, so that you can find it very valuable at this point. I have some liver, my just guess food, and some greens. Now, this is the little magic. Come with me. Come with me. Now this one on the side. Yes. Again. Yes. Look at this. This is our liver. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. This one away. And some finish off this one with some black pepper on top. Thank you. Amazing. Now, crop. This one. Yes.
Ngoja. Good. Ngoja.
Viva. Come with me. Let me tell you something. I just want to. It's always good to test one by one so that you get the real taste that you need. And now you bring the combination of everything now. Let me tell you something. My first lady is not here. She's somewhere doing that thing in the kitchen. But by the time she comes back, my friend, completely nothing is here. Thank you, viewer. God bless you.